When the whole world is struck by the inhumane attack of COVID 19, the Indian Ayurveda poses a significant question why the world is demeaning the findings of Indian Ayurvedic preventive medicine, which is found to be a hopeful aid to prevent COVID 19. Often, in such severe situations, it is advised to consider any small ray of hope that will save the people from the pandemic plight. During the period when English medical science conquered the medical sector, Indian Ayurvedic medicines have a deep rooted tradition when compared to modern allopathic medicines. It is a known fact that many allopathic medicines have been developed from natural chemicals. Likewise, Ayurvedic medicines too have been made from plants. The plants that we see around us have a healing and destructive power as well. When some plants make the human sustenance possible, some others pose great threat not only to human but also to animal life. Natural elements and plants have been the major resource in the production of fuel, gas, rubber and electricity. The Indian sages from the prehistoric times strived and researched on varied natural elements on earth, thus resulting in the development of a unique healing system, Ayurveda. Widespread importance and efficiency of allopathic medicine force the world to look down upon a system of traditional medicine, Ayurveda, which ensures to eliminate all toxic imbalances from the body without any side effects and harmful chemicals. Now, it's a real feather in their cap. The Parabrahma Ayurvedic Research Center, Bangalore, India, has developed an immunity booster for COVID 19. Other than the research and Ayurvedic drug production centers, the Parabrahma Group own a mini hospital in different parts of India. The Ayurvedic medicine manufactured in the Immunity Booster Research Center has the capacity to kill the coronavirus present in the human body, the center authorities told Karma News. The center also says it is important to know this is not a mere claim. Rather, they tested the drug in almost 10,000 COVID positive patients. A powder named Immunity Booster, along with a tincture, was distributed among the patients. The shocking results came within 2 days after the consumption of immunization food supplement. Those patients were tested COVID negative without the aid of any other medications, claims the research center. The doctors of the Parabrahma Ayurvedic Research Center see that the patients were suffering from fatigue due to respiratory ailments and fever. They were COVID positive too, but within 2 days they were back to the normal state.
Good evening everybody. Myself Dr. Ritya Sujit, Ayurvedic physician presently working with Parabrahma Ayurveda Research Group. Few days before we heard that Russia has developed one vaccine against our present health issue COVID-19. It's very pleasure to hear that. But actually they didn't submitted any positive reports for that vaccine. It's very sad to say that our India, our ancient system of medicine Ayurveda has already developed an immunity booster before 3 months itself. The Parabrahma Ayurvedic Group, based on Andhra Pradesh, Kerala, Bangalore, has developed a food supplement named as Immunity Booster for this health issue. It actually enhances the immunity power of our human body. After consuming this, thousands of patients got relief from various viral diseases. We have all evidence for this and we are ready to submit all the documents. Andhra Pradesh and Bangalore based allopathy doctors are taking more efforts for the enhancement of this immunity booster. So on this precious day, we proudly say that our country India, our ancient system of medicine Ayurveda has already introduced the prevention immunity booster against this epidemiological situation.
It still remains a question why the Indian government is neglecting the claims put forth by the Parabrahma Ayurvedic Research Center, though all due evidences to prove the authenticity behind the claim have been exhibited. Is it a part of deliberate decision taken by the Indian government not to rely on Ayurvedic medicine to get out of this pandemic? Though the government of India has a separate ministry and minister for the same, why India is still hesitant to approve this proudful finding which has the power to transform the face of Indian medical field in the international medical scenario. The Parabrahma Ayurvedic Research Center says that they require an official consent from the Indian government stating that whether the finding is right or wrong or does the drug can prevent COVID. They also took a stand. If the Indian government is rejecting the medicine, then they are willing to provide the immunity booster to foreign countries. We are neither partial nor biased. Whichever nation approaches us for a helping hand, we are willing to provide. Any foreign country can contact us. We are ready to go to the respective country and we can meet the expenses too. They can test the medicine and can accept if it seems to be effective. It is possible for us to provide the medicine to the whole world as we are equipped with a plant where we can manufacture 10 crore bottles in a single day, the center says.
Hi guys, I am Dr. Reshma Vijay. I am an Ayurvedic doctor working in Parabrahma Ayurveda Hospital and Research Center. Few days back we heard a news regarding COVID-19 vaccine funded by Russia. We didn't get any document regarding this vaccine and it. But 3 months before, Indian-based Ayurveda Hospital and Research Center, it means Parabrahma Ayurveda Hospital Research Center, found a food supplement named as a Parabrahma Immunity Booster. It's given to the thousands of people in India. It's given a miracle result in this condition. We are ready to submit all the documents regarding this. Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh based allopathy doctors took all the effort to enhance the immunity booster to the peoples. On this special day, we are happy to say that India is the first country to introduce the preventive immunity booster to the world.
The research center says that various states in India like Karnataka, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh and Delhi tested the medicine among the patients and it was effective. And in many allopathy hospitals, this drug has been given to the COVID patients. Most importantly, this Ayurveda food supplement is free of side effects as it doesn't contain any chemicals and it was purely made from natural medicinal plants. It is in the form of a powder and tastes bitter. Thousands of people speak about the transformatory power the medicines had on them. Now let's listen to their words.
Hi friends, I'm Dr. Suganya, an Ayurveda doctor. On this day, I would like to share you one thing that I have heard 2 days back about the news that Russian friends they have found vaccine for the viral disease. They haven't shown any proof for the success or any side effect they had, but proud to be an Indian. 3 months back itself, we found the medicine immunity booster from Parabrahma Ayurveda Hospital in Bangalore and in Kerala. The name itself it boosts up the immunity and can fight with any viral disease they enters. Actually, for positive people, they have taken this within 2 days. They got a good result, they got negative and they are so happy. Thousands of people, they got a good results. Even allopathy doctors in Bangalore and in Andhra, they are working together for this. Just establish this medicine to the world to save our world from this disaster viral disease. And it has a miracle to the people who have positive and they are so much happy for this medicine. On this day, be together and save the world.
నుంచి మాకు బాగా అయిందని చెప్పారు.
కషాయం తాగినప్పుడు ఇది చాలా బాగుంది మాకు అంతా
రిపోర్ట్ నెగిటివ్ వచ్చింది.
రిపోర్ట్ నెగిటివ్ వచ్చిందండి.
I use this for the 3 days. It gives me better result. Thank you.
In spite of all these positive remarks, why scientific world is indifferent to this Ayurvedic medicine? The Parabrahma Ayurvedic Research Center is pleading to the whole scientific world not to play with human life. This is not the right time to show their rivalry. Any modern scientific research center can test the reliability of the medicine, for it is always the human life that matters. The Parabrahma Ayurvedic Research Center has decided to approach the Supreme Court for justice. Now we have with us the Parabrahma Ayurvedic Research Center solicitor, Ranjit.
I have taken up this issue as Parabrahma Ayurvedic Research Institute is doing a wonderful job for a good cause benefiting the entire humanity. I have been instructed by the institute to file a suit before the Honorable Supreme Court of India, directing all the state governments and the union government to get this indigenously made in India immunity booster tested in their authorized laboratories to test if there is any toxic or harmful substance present that can harm or give adverse or side effects to human beings. If the lab reports are negative, then the government should direct the concerned hospitals to start clinical trial as per approved protocol and publish the results. If the clinical trial result is as what has been claimed by the Parabrahma Institute, the government should ensure that this indigenously developed immunity booster to be given to all corona positive patients so that there is no more further loss of human life due to coronavirus. If the government is not able to do so, even after the clinical trial results are positive, then the concerned should be held responsible for any more deaths that can happen in this country. My office is looking into the possibility and aspects of filing this petition as early as possible. Thank you.
It won't be easy for the world to stay blind to the claims made by the Parabrahma Ayurvedic Research Center. When they raise this exigent need to the world leaders, they never forget to stress on their readiness to take the immunity booster to any part of the world to prove the efficiency of the same. They also claim that the immunity booster can be better than that of Russia's. The news of this medicine should reach the world leaders who genuinely wish to have a decrease in the death toll due to COVID-19. COVID has become a business for many, even when the masses have been hit by poverty, ill health and death. It is high time to put an end to this unkind political business. The Parabrahma Ayurvedic Research Center says by curing almost 10,000 patients and thus creating a turning point in the nation's fight against COVID-19, they act as a savior to the whole world. Now, the center requests the world leaders to permit them to spread their valuable services worldwide.